this video, you will learn how to describe Microsoft Purview information protection features such as sensitivity labels and data loss prevention. We'll start by recognizing the importance of safeguarding sensitive information. The consequences of data breaches can include severe financial losses, legal consequences, and damage to an organization's reputation. It's worth noting that information protection is not just a regulatory requirement but a critical business necessity. Microsoft Purview offers a suite of features designed to protect sensitive information and prevent data breaches, and we will explore these in detail. Sensitivity labels are tags that can be applied to documents and emails to classify and protect sensitive information. They work by embedding classification metadata within the file, which persists even when the file is shared or moved. This ensures that the sensitivity of the information is always recognized and respected. Sensitivity labels can be configured to apply encryption, watermarking, and access restrictions based on the classification level. For example, a financial institution might use sensitivity labels to classify documents containing customer financial data as confidential, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access them. The benefits of sensitivity labels are significant. They provide a consistent way to classify and protect sensitive information, reducing the risk of human error. They also help organizations comply with regulations by ensuring that sensitive information is handled appropriately. Additionally, these labels enhance collaboration by allowing users to share information securely, knowing that the appropriate protections are in place. Next, let us explore data loss prevention, DLP. Data loss prevention is a set of policies and technologies designed to prevent the unauthorized sharing or leakage of sensitive information. DLP works by monitoring and controlling the flow of data within and outside the organization. It can detect and block the transmission of sensitive information through email, file sharing, and other communication channels. For instance, a healthcare provider might use DLP to prevent the accidental sharing of patient records via email, ensuring compliance with health information privacy laws. The benefits of data loss prevention are manifold. DLP helps organizations protect sensitive information from accidental or malicious exposure, reducing the risk of data breaches. It also supports regulatory compliance by ensuring that sensitive information is handled in accordance with legal and industry standards. Furthermore, DLP enhances visibility and control over data flows, enabling organizations to identify and address potential risks proactively. Now let us examine implementation strategies for information protection. Best practices for implementing sensitivity labels and data loss prevention include conducting a thorough risk assessment to identify sensitive information and potential threats, defining clear classification and protection policies, and providing training to employees on the importance of information protection and how to use the tools effectively. It is also essential to regularly review and update policies to ensure they remain effective and aligned with evolving business needs and regulatory requirements. Common challenges in implementing information protection include resistance to change from individuals, lack of awareness or understanding of the tools, and the complexity of managing the policies and configurations. To address these challenges, organizations should engage stakeholders early in the process, provide comprehensive training and support, and leverage automation and integration capabilities to help streamline management activities and reduce the administrative burden. At this point, we should take a look at some real-world applications of information protection features. Use cases from various industries highlight the effectiveness of sensitivity labels and data loss prevention in protecting sensitive information and preventing data breaches. For example, a global manufacturing company might use sensitivity labels to classify and protect intellectual property, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access and share proprietary designs. Similarly, a financial services firm might implement DLP to monitor and control the flow of sensitive financial data, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. In another instance, a healthcare organization might use sensitivity labels and DLP to protect patient records and ensure compliance with health information privacy laws. By classifying patient records as confidential and implementing DLP policies to prevent unauthorized sharing, the organization can safeguard sensitive information and reduce the risk of data breaches.